How do you multiply and simplify square roots? Well, um, if you have a square root, it follows this straightforward rule, where if they're both 0 or larger, then you can multiply them together, and it works exactly the way that you expect. It's tempting to say, okay, if you have square root of 1 plus square root of 1, you're tempted to say that that's square root of 2. 1 plus 1 is 2, but that's not true. I'm here to tell you that square root of 1 plus square root of 1 equals the square root of 4. And if you don't believe me, square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 1 is 1, the square root of 4 is 2. That is a true statement. Does not become square root of 2. So the way to simplify square roots is just straightforward. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 11 is 77. Here, the easier way to do this is say square root of 4. We know the square root of 4 is 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. And then we can say that it's 2 squared of 2. That's turned into that, and square root of 2 stayed the same. When we want to simplify square roots, what we'll do is we'll factor into prime factors. So that's like saying, okay, 12 is 4 times 3. This is 2 times 2. We circle pairs of prime factors. Pairs go outside the radical, 1 per pair. Leftovers stay inside the radical. So let's factor this. 4 times 2, 2 times 2. We got a pair of 2's and 1 2 left over. That's that. 6 times 10, 2 times 3, 2 times 5. We got a pair of 2's. And what's left over is 3 times 5. 3 times 5 is 15. So some of these are more difficult. 2, let's see how many times that goes in. 166. This is 83. 83. I think 83 is prime. So let's go with 2 squared to 83. 216 is 6 times, let's see, 36. This is 6 times 6. Now we can keep going. We should keep going, but technically you could have stopped there if you recognized that worked. So there's a pair of 2's, a pair of 3's, and 6 left over. So we got 2 times 3, and then in the radical, 2 times 3. So that's 6 square roots of 6. Here we have 33 times x squared. We have 3 times 11, and x times x. So we get a pair of x's, and then what's left over is 33. Thank you.